now you as constructors, you don't allow access here. Officer, are you the guys who are constructing that you can deny us access to? Are the ones who are denying Parliament to execute its mandate.
But we're the ones who have overthrown the Constitution. Because it's a mandate to the Constitution.
You see, you're smiling that way because you're even ashamed of what you're saying. You know what you're saying is illegal, it's ultra bias. Actually, in charge of
responsible. As I'm concerned, you should be arrested.
As police.
Oh, so you
No,
are
this is
the
Barra.
arrested you by now.
It's coming back, it's coming back. It's coming back. ASP. Okay, you, I don't know. Help me, I don't know. Are you the DPC? Are you the DPC Lubowa?
Don't interview me.
No, I'm just trying to because I've introduced myself. So I spend money, billions of shillings every year to this project. So it's our duty and our mandate to inspect what is this money doing. So I wrote to the Minister for Health, because this is a project under the Ministry of Health. I wrote to the Minister for Health, and I had actually requested her to also be here to take us around. She wrote back saying she's unable to be here because she's in cabinet, but she said, yes, it's our mandate, please go ahead. And she even said, I wish you a successful tour. Signed, Dr. Jane Ruth Acheng, the Minister for Health. So we did come here, and there are some police officers in there who were saying, no, you don't have clearance. I said, what kind of clearance? This is a project under Ministry of Health. This is a letter by the Minister of Health. Your OC, well, someone who says he's an OC because he's dressed in ordinary clothes, he's not sure what he's saying. He's saying, I'm in ordinary uniform because I am sick. I said, if you're sick, why are you at work anyway? Show us your ID. So we didn't engage much with him because we don't even know if he's a masquerader. But it's good you have come. So we are here and we would like access to these premises to do our job as members of Parliament.
For now, I will refer you to the ministry to clear you and copy to the relevant authorities.
That's which ministry?
Ministry of Health, copied to other relevant authorities.
Which one is Afande, officer?
Including Parliament itself.
Including Parliament?
We are the Parliament.
We are Parliament.
Yes, you are, but we need a clearance, a cleared document.
Cleared by who?
How can we prove at this moment that it is valid?
How are you able to prove that it is not valid?
We shall get the formal communication.
From where?
Upon its clearance.
Who is meant to clear?
From the Ministry of Health.
But this is a letter signed by the Minister of Health.
Officer, are you obstructing Parliament from doing its work?
I have not come to argue, Honorable.
Are you obstructing
And we are also trying to understand you.
of Uganda from doing our work?
I only need a clearance from all authorities.
Has it been the normal?
Maybe.
We've been to UNRWA. We never got your clearance. This is Parliament. This is not anybody else.
And Parliament is the one that sends money here. That's why we are here. So we are not intruders.
We've been in all agencies and
So,
we've
anyway,
never gotten clearance from
away from
DPC.
that.
Are you obstructing us?
You're saying you need authorization, whatever that is, from the Ministry of Health. Maybe let me read for you. Let me read for you. Allow me to read for you.
First, wait.
Hey,
The
Afande, you're asking for
Can we call
clearance.
the Minister of Health?
The clearance will be channeled from IGP
IGP.
to KMP, RPC, because you are VIPs.
And I see-
We have to ensure you're safe.
Now,
Who has said we are not safe?
this is not in your line of duty. Can we take it that you're obstructing us from doing the work? If it's not in your line of duty,
I need a
that you
clearance.
will obstruct us.
Doctor,
Consented
Doctor,
by
let
all
me first
authorities.
read, officer, just give me a minute.
Do you need?
Let me read to you this
Which
letter.
clearance from who?
Honorable Nabagala, respect your position.
Okay, so this is a headed paper. Let me read to you, officer.
Your name.
Office of the Minister of Health, PO Box that, 22nd February 2024. She writes, Right Honorable Joel Senyonyi, Leader of the Opposition, Office of the Leader of the Opposition, Parliament of Uganda, Kampala. Oversight tour of Lubowa Specialized Hospital. Reference is made to your letter dated 20th January 2024, which I received today, 22nd February 2024, inviting me to take around the honorable members of Shadow Cabinet and MPs during the oversight tour of Lubowa Specialized Hospital, scheduled for Monday 26th February 2024, which is today. I wish to take this opportunity to appreciate you for inviting me for this important tour. However, as you may be aware, Mondays are cabinet days, and therefore I will not be able to join you on that date. The purpose of this letter, therefore, is to register apologies for my absence and my colleague state ministers. I wish you a successful tour. Yours sincerely, Dr. Acheng Jane Ruth Ochero, the Minister for Health.
And that's
So,
the law.
Are you and copied to the Minister of State for Health, Permanent Secretary, Director General Health Services? Are you disputing that this letter is not valid, or are you saying this is not enough, there is something more you need?
The other authorities.
Did they acknowledge the receipt of the copies?
But she, so Afanda is asking, did she acknowledge receipt of the copy? Reference is made to your letter dated 20th January 2024. That's the opening, which I received today, 22nd February.
Her disappearing.
She's coming back, we shall wait for her. Yeah, we can scan and we send you your phone. So you're saying the light you can't see? So what's the status?
They have told you about the clearance.
Come again?
He said what? That you get clearance?
He said that the OC has not told them about this.
We are not informed. I'm not informed about this.
You're not informed?
No.
Well, this is a letter from the Minister of Health.
Yeah. So what you do? Yeah, this letter is not addressed to me, and I'm not informed. I'm just surprised right now.
So is it police that is in charge of this project?
How? What do you mean?
Because when you say you're not informed.
Police is not in charge of the project. This project is under Ministry of Health. You are aware. So I will advise you follow the procedures and peacefully you come and inspect
which procedure? Because you've said
now,
that this project is under Ministry of Health. This is the minister's letter.
Yeah, it is okay. Minister is going to address to the security and you will be allowed to access.
So that's what I'm wondering.
It's not a barracks.
Security has to clear.
No, we have the mandate to protect the facilities.
So are we a threat to the facility?
You are not a threat, but just I advise you follow the right procedure.
Which ones? Because I don't know what you mean by procedure. Because as a member of parliament, my procedure is to write the ministry to the ministry in charge, which I did.
Yes.
And as you can see, the minister has written back to us. She's unable to join us, but she says please go ahead with the oversight visit. So I don't know which procedures you're talking about, officer.
Now, for us, we are not noticed.
You're supposed to be notified?
Yes, notified.
How?
Whoever is coming here, we should be notified, and we give the person security to do the work.
We have come with our own security, don't worry.
It is okay.
We are very safe.
It is okay. But now, I request you first go back. You organize another day, you will come.
Why? Because today is the day we are ready to do this. Is when we have time.
But we are not informed.
Now understand your place in all of this.
You did the right thing, but some procedures went missing.
Like which one?
One, and the line of our system, our side, we are supposed to be notified of the team which is coming here. Now, like the security side, for us basically we deal with safety. You get me? We deal with safety, and we don't have any notification permitting people to come and enter to the premises.
So when you say safety, it presupposes that your stakeholders, and so you're either meant to give permission or that kind of thing. Because you as OC, your security is the general area, the entire area. I don't think your mandate is to safeguard this
everywhere
per se.
Here.
Everywhere.
Even the neighborhood here. Even
So,
right now, are you seeing this neighborhood? JCRC. You cannot access there without proper documentation.
So in that case, I would have to get clearance from you or JCRC?
No, not from me. I don't have any clearance to give. But mine is to get information that
well, the information is here. I have brought
it's not addressed to me.
Now,
what you do?
Who is supposed to write to
what
you as OC of the
what
area?
You do?
Who is supposed to notify you?
What you do? I kindly refer you. You go to the division.
Division?
Yeah.
Which division?
Kajansi division.
Of police?
Yes.
But how? Because you see, OC, this project, and it's good we have come with this letter, from the Minister of Health. This project is under the
I
Ministry
understand.
of Health.
And
So are you saying police is in charge of this project and police has
Are you
to
the one
clear
doing
us?
construction?
I'm trying to
No.
understand.
police is giving security, general security.
Yours is security.
You give security.
The boss in charge of this project, the Minister of Health.
Now.
This is her letter.
Now,
Are you above her? Are you above
Because
the
you're
minister?
keeping a project that
Of
is
the
run by
minister.
the Ministry of Health. So you take orders when Ministry of Health says those are visitors, you
The
know
minister
about
says,
them
I
and
know
so
them.
on.
You say I
very
don't
good.
know.
But the Ministry of Health has not communicated to us.
She's not supposed to communicate to you. She's,
No, it's what you're saying.
No.
I'm just
the minister is saying,
what you're
these
saying.
people, I know them, they are coming. You're saying you don't know them. Who are you? Are you above
Because
the
that's why I
minister?
brought
No.
this letter
No.
from the minister,
So-
so that whoever we find here,
So
we
what
give
you do,
them this
I
letter.
advise, go back to the ministry,
And they say the OC has refused.
not the OC,
Eh,
He's not aware.
whatever, but should notify the security that there is a team ABCD
Isn't
coming.
this notice? Because this is a
No,
letter.
this is not addressed to the security.
So
the
they
letter is
address
clear.
you security as who? As stakeholders in this project as what?
No, we are not stakeholders in the
Hey,
project.
so
we are giving
yours is to provide security here, not so?
Yes.
So you provide security.
The only problem is you have the order from above not to allow
There
them
is
to
there is no order
Let
from
him
above
tell us.
here.
I want him to. That
No,
should come
we are
from
guiding
him.
each other so that we follow the right procedures. There is nothing like order from above.
Are you doubting the letter?
No. The procedures are all there. We have also Ministry of Internal Affairs.
Where are those procedures written?
Okay.
Internal Affairs is in charge of what in this construction?
Now, you're saying what?
Where? Because you're saying you have all the procedures. Maybe you can share with us.
No, I'm saying you follow like what you have done. If you could do it also in the line of the securities which is in place and the security is notified, it is okay.
Under what law? Because
No,
if
let's
you
not go into details that.
If you
because
don't
that's
hear
Here's
that's,
that. Let
that's
us understand
important.
what is on the
OC,
ground.
when you do-
Honorable, I respect you and your team. Please go back and reorganize. You come back, you'll access. Even we shall give you the security.
No, we
to
don't
move
need
with
it.
the inside.
We
but-
don't need your
but-
security.
One, you have security there already.
You're actually causing
But
insecurity.
also we have come with
There is
if,
no
if you
insecurity.
fear about our
Have you seen
security.
any commotion here?
So
have you seen
this
anybody-
is a letter
Eh.
from the Ministry of Health
Addressed-
informing you.
It is not addressed to us.
No, it is addressed to me because I wrote.
Of
So
course.
now when I come, I show you this letter that the ministry which is in charge of this project has given us a go-ahead to come and inspect here. Now you're saying
Don't you think the ministry is aware that there is security in guarding the properties around?
They know
like
where you
any
store.
other place.
Don't you
Even
But
think
at-
they
even at
know.
my
they
home,
have
there's
the
security.
capacity? They
To
have
do
the
what?
capacity to inform the
Now,
security
now,
which is
now,
there
let me tell you, my
to
brother.
ensure the safety of the team which is coming.
What's
That is what I'm telling you.
what's your name?
My name is Sunday Innocent.
Sunday Innocent.
Yeah.
You're the OC of
I'm in charge of Lubowa Police Station
in charge of Lubowa Police Station.
and the general facilities around.
So you're saying as in charge of Lubowa Police Station, you have strict orders not to let anybody in here who has not gotten clearance from security.
Those are your words.
Okay, you tell me your words.
There are no strict orders. We follow. The standing operating procedures are very clear. You know them.
No, I
you
don't.
don't
You
know.
tell me. I don't know them.
I've told you already, and I don't want to go too much into what I've already told you. You have understood my point.
No, I've actually not
Please.
understood.
I've just advised
That's
you.
why I'm asking again and again.
Honorable, go with your team, go and organize, and we shall get notification, and we shall accept you to come, and we give you the security.
We even need acceptance. We need acceptance from you.
You man,
We shall accept
your
you.
role, together with your police officers, is to provide security.
Of course.
The same way you have
It's
said
what
you're
we are
providing
doing.
security here.
It is what we are doing.
You don't deny anyone access who
No,
has authority
Not
to access
everybody
here.
comes and accesses anyway.
We are not.
So
You-
we are
He or she
everybody.
wants.
So you have actually gotten
Now,
that right.
I'm guiding you over the procedures of accessing inside, and it's what I'm telling you.
So we
You are
are
not stopped
everybody.
from accessing inside, but follow the procedures.
So
I know
who is
you are
supposed to
aware-
give me a
you
permission
are
to
aware-
access?
You are aware the facility where the facility is being guarded. You are aware. You have even reached here, and I've told you the procedures.
Guarded by who?
There is security on ground. You have not
Which security? Which kind of security?
the security for the premises.
Which security?
Which security?
Is it
Commandeered by who?
UPDF, is it police? It is which security?
Is it SFC?
It is the general security. What is wrong with
Are you in charge
security?
of
General
general security? You? Are you in charge of general security?
I've already introduced
No,
myself.
we need to know which security is here.
So, honorable, let's not argue too much. It's not
No,
going
because
to
you see,
No one
you're
should
also
argue with
breaking the law. Let me explain to you procedure. Now that you've explained to me your procedure, for you, you're saying that we are meant to get clearance from security. That is irregular. This here is a project run by the Ministry of Health.
We are all aware.
We Parliament. Yeah, you explained, Afan. Let me also explain. You don't want to. I listen to you. Don't want to listen to me.
No, carry on.
Please,
Let me repeat
Yeah.
myself
Problem now.
for the avoidance of doubt. This Lubowa Specialized Hospital is a project run by the Ministry of Health. We in Parliament, we keep sending money here every year, billions of shillings. And it's our duty as legislators to play an oversight role.
Somebody's talking
Okay?
to you. Listen.
To establish the money that we are sending here, what exactly is it doing? But you see, even though it is our mandate, we don't just drive our cars and we come here. We inform the necessary stakeholders. As far as we are concerned, the stakeholder for this project is the Ministry of Health, which I did write to the Minister of Health. And the Minister for Health wrote back to me, this is the letter, saying she has received, she had actually wished to be here, but she's attending cabinet. But she says, please go ahead. I wish you success in the tour. That's the Minister of Health.
True.
Who supervises this project? Now you're saying that no, it is actually not the Minister of Health, the Minister of Health who is in charge. It is security. So we need to know which is this a barracks?
No.
Is this a security installation
Honorable,
that who has to clear?
Honorable, don't add words on what I've said. Some words are yours.
Mm.
However, I've told you the ministry is aware there is a security guarding and protecting the facilities at the site. You get me? Now, procedurally, the security department, us, we are not informed. That
How are you supposed to be informed? Because
Now,
this is the minister writing.
Listen, listen. As per now, we are not. It's just my surprise. I'm just getting this from you that you are accessing the premises. We are supposed to be informed that there is a team coming for inspections at the site.
So who am I supposed to inform? The OC,
Now
the DPC, the IGP,
the
or
ministry
who?
has the procedures to write. You could have requested from the ministry actually.
So
When
This
the
was a request.
the ministry gets this
The letter they are
they're
responding to
supposed
was
to
a
write to
request.
you maybe.
I mean,
Who
was a
are-
notice.
How do we know we are supposed to write to you? Who are we to
Pardon?
write to you, or who are you
I-
for us to write to you?
You don't need to write to me.
Who needs to
You
write?
don't need to write to me.
Who needs
I've
to write?
I've directed you to the office where you're supposed to approach. They are
which
the ones
office
to write.
again is that?
Still the same ministry have been.
But we have written. This is the letter.
But you man, are you listening to yourself? Because now you're contradicting yourself,
No.
officer.
Let us respect each
This
other.
no.
But
This
I-
is a
I- I-
letter.
I-
Go
policeman.
and reorganize and
Afande.
you come.
Maybe, how do I prove that you're actually the OC? Because you see, you're dressed like an ordinary person.
Yes.
I also need to be sure. How do I know? Do you have your
I'm
ID?
ordinary because I have
Okay,
been-
do you have your
I've
ID?
Do
actually-
you have your ID? So that I know.
I have.
Let's
Can
take a
we-
look at it.
No, let's go to the office and I
No,
will.
but,
But
now
now,
you're operating from here.
if we arrest you, you know, I'm a
How?
lawyer, so as there's such a thing as citizen arrest. So as a
Yeah,
citizen,
I see the
I can
shoes.
say this person here is a masquerader.
Don't mind on my dress code.
No,
No, I need to be sure who you
Your
are.
address
Who is the
us
person
as a
stopping us
security
from entering?
officer.
Who is
Yeah,
he?
we need to know who that is.
The person advising us, directing us, who is
Now,
he?
You see how you're dressed and
They
you're
are
telling
guiding
us we
you
should know.
on how you can.
As a
access-
civilian,
is
are you guiding
guiding
us as
us?
a neighbor, as a civilian, a youngest? Who are
Who
you?
is guiding us? We need
What
to know
rank are
who-
you?
I'm an assistant superintendent.
Assistant
Hey,
superintendent.
but
So how do I know all of those things?
I've introduced myself.
So if I introduce myself and I say, my name is Joel Senyonyi, I'm the president of Uganda.
So you will say,
So why aren't you saluting? Because you've said it's just a matter of introducing. I can call myself whatever I want.
Don't mind on my dress code.
No, we have to mind.
It's okay. It's
We
okay.
have to mind.
It's okay.
You're
For
telling
other
us
reasons.
we get
For other
directions
reasons.
from you.
I'm dressed like this for other health reasons.
Because
I'm-
you're
Health
SFC,
reasons.
right?
Yeah.
Hey, the police uniform makes you sick.
No.
Hey,
why don't you seek-
operated.
ask for
you've been
leave?
operated.
Yeah.
So why are you working? You should be at
However,
home
I've
resting.
come to guide you on what to do. Please, let's respect each other. You
No,
go and
no.
reorganize. you
There's
come back.
nothing like respect or
Yes.
disrespect
We don't know
here.
you.
We just want to know who are
You
you.
get to know me.
Hey,
We
you
want
want
to know you
to
now.
know
I've
you.
introduced myself to you.
We have also
You
introduced.
said you signed
Your challenge
okay.
was that I'm dressed in
Innocent.
civilian. I've told you why I'm dressed like that.
But then you
Show
should have a
us.
card, an ID
I
to show
have
that.
a
Let's
card.
take a look at
Bring
it.
it and we send.
Let's
we know
take a
who you're
look so
talking
that
to.
I know. Because you see,
That the person has to need to read this
I am a
one, so-
leader. You are also a leader in your capacity. You lead a group.
It is okay. Let me get for you the card. You're going to-
Where is the card?
I have it.
In the car?
It is
Okay.
pointed.
Where is the car here?
It is there.
Okay, let's go pick
So,
it. But this is mine, eh?
Yeah, this is yours.
So
But
maybe
you
let's go to the car. We see your ID.
You have got,
no,
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 I'm going to send
No,
someone to get it.
because
You have-
firstly, I need to know who is this person addressing us.
I've already introduced myself.
And I'm saying, and you'll forgive me, but I don't believe you
It is okay.
until I see some proof.
I'll give you what you want.
Uh-huh.
But
So then,
my point is, are we together now? You have.
no, we are not together
Yeah.
until we know who this person is.
Let's go, please. Let's go. And the honorable, I respect you.
You want to take me where?
No.
Let's will come and find us here.
Vacate the place.
Yeah. You go and reorganize and come back.
So now you're talking as who? You? When you're telling me to vacate this place, you're talking as who?
No. I've already introduced myself.
No, you bring your ID, your police card. You go and hurry. We are here. You hurry up and bring it.
Okay.
We are here.
So,
Because when you tell me, you're telling me to vacate, as who? Because you can wagala okulondoola ssente y'omuwoomusolo kitukakatako ffe ng'ababaka naddala ab'oludda oluwabula gavumenti mu kujja okwasaganya ensonga zino tuli very organized. Manyi abantu bano beefula abagezi ennyo naye ate batusanze tuli steady. Ate babuuza nti kakati mwawandiika mwafuna clearance naki, nawandiika ebbaluwa sookera ddala eyasooka nga njiwandiikira sipiika kubanga tumutegeezaako nga tukwasaganya emirimu gyaffe, n'empandiikira ne minisita w'ebyobulamu kubanga ekifo kino minisitule y'ebyobulamu ekivunaanyizibwako mukyala Dr. Jane Ruth Acheng, ne mutegeezaako era ne musaba bw'aba asobodde abeerewoko tulambule naye oba tuwe omu ku bakungu be babeerewo nga tulambula ekifo kino. Ebbaluwa n'agiddamu n'antegeeza nti tajja sobola kubeerawo kubanga balina cabinet meeting, naye n'atwagaliza okulambula okulungi ye nga minisita kubanga yavunaanyizibwa wano. Tutuuse wano batuwoleza nti ate kakati simanya OC tayimanyiiko, ate DPC ate RPC bonna bali awo bakubagana tebabitegeera nti ate IGP nimbabuuza kakati eno baraksi abakuumi omu baasose natugamba nti ya CEO alina okutuwa clearance. Nimbabuuza CEO yani nti madamu, of course madamu Pineti, naye ffe tugamba nti ekifo kino ministry y'ebyobulamu parliament, fenga parliament tuze tuwa sente nga tuziwa ministry of health yezimba wano nga twagala tutegeere ki ekigenda maaso kuba sente mpitirivu buli mwaka eziteekebwa wano. Minister of Finance yajja mu parliament n'agamba nti bakasaasaanya obuwumbi 113 naye si zezo zokka. Ebiwandiiko ebimu bitufuna biraga nti ziri 286, ebiwandiiko ebirala biraga nti eyo kusoba mu buwumbi 3 ezakasaasaanyibwa wano. Mu December bajja mu parliament ne basaba supplementary ya buwumbi 2 mu milioni 2.7 billion mbwezo bagenda zikozesa kulondoola mirimu giri wano. Ne tugamba yiyi mirimu kyeyo gye balondoola katuje naffe twerabireko kiki ekigenda mu maaso. Tuze wano of course woyimirira oba tolina kyolengera eri mpozi nga batugamba nti eddwaliro balizimba wansi underground. Wayiseewo eddakiika mbale ne batandika okusaawasaawa kubanga bamanyi nti kakati omwo mujjudde ekisiko kyereeta oli kigenda mu maaso kyekituleese era nogezaako tulemesa okuyingira kubanga bamanyi teri kiriyo. Sente y'omuwoomusolo ebbibwa mu byekiyaaye. Era twabadde twagala okukola report nga tuze mu parliament nti bye tulambudde kino kye tulabye nti emirimu gitambula bulungi, parliament twongere sente wano nti oba emirimu tegitambula bulungi tukendeeze oba tulekeraawo okubawa sente. Naye kaakati tewali kitulabye kiri munda eyo era ne bwoyimirira eri waggulu tolina kyolengera kuba teri kiriyo. Wano batugambye nti waliwo abakubanga ebifaananyi bannamawulire nga bakozesa zi drone. Kati ne zi drone batugambye tezikkirizibwa, bateekawo bijama drone erina weetasukka awo nga wolaba ebibaati eba etambula bijama ne bigisindiikiriza okudda eno. Era mulaba ne ku gate bataddewo nti no photography no videography. Biki be bakweka? Pineti kikyakweka? Pineti ono kuba nze njagala mulowooza ng'omuntu omufere kuba kati bw'oba toli mufere sente z'abannayuganda ze bakuwa zikoze eki exactly? Pineti yali agenda kweyingiza mu nsonga za kaawa z'emmwanyi kofi. Abalimba emmwanyi ne bagamba kikafuuwe era twagala kubeebaza bannayuganda mwayimukisa eddoboozi ne mugamba nedda emmwanyi ne muzimusooza. Pineti oyo y'omu tuwulira bamuwa enguudo z'okkola, tuwulira bakamuwa enguudo ziringa 7. Talina history yonna ekola nguudo, talina construction company naye tuwulira bamuwadde enguudo ez'okkola nga tebayise na procurement regulations. Pineti y'omu tuwulira kakati ayagala kuyingira kyayi majaani ti oyo Pineti oyo baagala omuyingiza buli wamu. Ono Pineti yaani exact era alina bumanyiikirivu ki nti ye yajja okukola buli kimu ate nga n'ebyakola tebitegeerekeka. So katusubire nti nga tugamba parliament nti sente eziteekebwa wano kirina okukoma, sente zo waakiri tuzitwale emulago tuziteeke ekiruddu abakyala babeera eyo nga bali wansi bazaalira wansi ku ttaka abasawo tebalina byakozesa naki sente tuziteeka eyo mu Naguru Hospital n'awalala mu zi health center fozi malwaliro regional referrals zikawempe n'awalala eyo gye tulina oteeka sente kubanga wano kyeyolese mu lwatu nti wano tewali kigenda mu maaso ono Pineti mubbi abba sente y'omuwa omusolo so kyetwagala okugamba Parliament nti olaba naffe ng'ababaka tebatukkiriza kuyingira wano kulondoola ki kigenda mu maaso ate nga Parliament ffe tuyisa sente eziteekebwa wano ekitegeeza teri kigenda mu maaso sente zino babbanzibe era twagala okugamba Parliament nti sente zetubadde tusindika ku Lubowa Hospital tukomaawo katusuubire nti bannaffe naddala bannaffe aba NRM bajja wagira ekiteeso ekyo mpozi nga bo bagamba sente y'omuwa omusolo tebakwatako mpozi nga bo bagamba nti zi health center ziri mu constituency zaabwe ziri bulungi kubanga ffe tugamba sente zijja wano katutandike ziteeka eyo mu bitundu by'eggwanga ebyenjawulo mu zi health center fozi mu zi regional referral katusuubire nti Parliament ejja tuwagira ku nsonga eno kubanga olaba ffe ababawa sente nga Parliament temwagala tulondoole byakiyaaye katusuubire nti bannaffe ekiteeso mu Parliament nga tuwa ripooti nti ekifo kino kyetuze tuteekamu sente ebbanga lino lyonna buwumbi na buwumbi teri kiriyo era muwulidde bwe twaze wano ne batandika okusaba munda ekitegeeza wajjuddeyo kisiko olaba batugaana okuyinga